The new CRYSTA APEX V coordinate measuring machine from Mitutoyo is designed for today's smart factory with faster measurements, higher accuracy, and advanced information to assist production management. Available in a range of sizes, the CRYSTA APEX V CMM focuses on speed and versatility, providing highly accurate measurements for small to large size workpieces of any shape. Measurement cycle times are radically reduced by employing 3D active, high-speed scanning techniques for complex workpieces. Mitutoyo's newly designed Absolute Digimatic Scale, or ABS, is incorporated into the CRYSTA APEX V and not only provides faster measuring cycles and flexibility, but also improved durability for harsh environments. In addition, the CRYSTA APEX V series offers multi-sensor flexibility with a range of vision, laser, surface finish and scanning sensor technologies. The new design provides unification of the overall Mitutoyo brand and introduces Mitutoyo's Smart Measuring System, or SMS, a combination of technologies that leverage the capabilities of the Internet of Things and Industry 4.0 to provide visualization of data, allowing preventative maintenance and improved productivity. Combined with the latest version of Mitutoyo's MeasureLink software, manufacturing process information is centrally managed to maximize productivity and reduce defective products by collecting and analyzing data in real time. The CRYSTA APEX V CMM from Mitutoyo.